Here's a new 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Equal parts suave and stout, this multitasking Silverado is a powerful personality. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth, leather and metal look steering wheel, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Chevy, 100 years of icons. Take it for a test drive today.
Lakeside Chevrolet is your new and used Dallas Chevrolet leader at 2005 South Goliad Street in Rockwall, Texas, just minutes from Garland and Dallas.